Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please click the subscribe button and like this video, and if you can, please leave a comment letting me know if this video was helpful to you. You're here because you want to install no-cut frame sliders to your Ninja 650 from 2017-2021 or your Z650 from 17 to 21. This is the same process for every single one of them. This is how they look. They're very good quality, and if you haven't bought yours, you can buy the same ones. There's a link in the description. And this is what we're going to need to install this. You can start from any side. In this case, I'm starting on the right side if you're sitting on the motorcycle. Remember, do one by one. After this bolt falls, then it should be good to go to pull out. The screw was not trying to come out, so what I did, I push it from the inside out, and it came out smooth after that. Now we are ready to put the frame sliders. Remember, with the frame sliders, there's two sizes, a large one and a medium one. The large one go on the left side, and the smallest one go on the right side. Remember, this is if you're sitting on the motorcycle. Just remember, when you put in the frame sliders, remember to use the screws that come with the frame sliders. Do not use the ones that come with the motorcycle. Now we start tying stuff up, screwing back everything, and in this case I hold my finger on the back, on the inside of the frames to hold that bracket so it doesn't keep moving. You can use other tools, but in this case I used my finger and it worked. Now you're gonna do the same process that you did on the right side to do on the left side. It's the same way, same process, so there shouldn't be a problem. Click the subscribe button and like this video, and if you can, please leave a comment letting me know if this video was helpful to you.